Getting insurance is serious stuff. Our role as insurance specialists is to make sure you get the right cover and that if something happens, your claim gets paid. To do this, you need to be open and honest when answering all the questions the insurer asks. This is called a duty of disclosure, and it includes not leaving out important things your insurer needs to know. Otherwise, it can affect your claim being paid out if and when you need it. You have to disclose anything a reasonable person would be expected to know. Things that relate to your health, lifestyle, hobbies, medical and family history, as well as your plans for the future. You need to include all medical or physical conditions and visits to medical professionals such as your doctor, physio, chiro, or any potential others. This is the sort of information we don't usually think to keep, but accurate details are very important to the insurance application process. If there's anything you're unsure about, ask us. That's why we're here. Your insurer has a legal right to ask those questions to help them decide if they will insure you and on what terms, like how much your premium will be and whether some things will or won't be covered. There may be an exclusion rather than increasing the premium. This way, you're covered for everything else other than the hazardous activity or pre-existing condition, such as a history of back issues. However, if an injury occurs that is completely unrelated to that pre-existing condition, such as a car accident, you can potentially be covered. You have to share all this information whenever you take out a new policy or replace an old policy. If you fall behind on paying your premiums and during this time a medical event occurs, it may prejudice your cover. While an insurer cannot cancel a policy if you continue to pay your premiums, they can decide to not accept it again if you let it lapse. Remembering all the details can be tricky, so accessing your health records on the MyGov website might be a good place to start. Your duty of disclosure applies from the time you submit your application to when you receive the acceptance in writing. So if something happens in those few weeks while you're waiting for written confirmation, you'll need to let us know. There's no point paying for insurance if there's a chance it won't be paid when you need to make a claim. Honesty is the best policy. Working closely with us is the easiest way to apply for cover as quickly as possible and to reduce the chance of unwanted surprises if you need to make a claim.